Now I am going to take you to a flat at Prestige Bella Vista at Ayyapanthangal. Come, let's take a look into the flat. Of the flat. So here, as you can see, the whole house is based on the Krishna and Radha theme. So as you enter, you can see a beautiful decor placed on the door. It is golden color and it has Krishna Radha on it. You can also see a door knocker which symbolizes a peacock in it. This really looks very beautiful. And you can also see a beautiful Ganesha fancy light on the entrance. And now you can see the back side of the entrance door has a beautiful key hanger. So it symbolizes a flute with two peacock feathers in it. So as you can see, it symbolizes Krishna's flute. And there's also a beautiful key hanging down here. And here you can see a beautiful wall decor. So this is made for, specially made for Lord Ganesha actually. And we have wall decors attached with bells on either sides, which completes the whole look. And now you can see a beautiful showcase unit in the living area. So here we have given completely handle-less solutions to the cabinets. So only on two cabinets you can see handles, and on the other cabinets you can see handle-less solutions. So we have given a color combination of dark chocolate with cream color. So this is really making this looking beautiful. And here you can see Lord Buddha statues placed as the center. And we have also given spotlights to enlighten the whole look of the showcase. Now you can see a beautiful TV unit here. So here the colors we have used is dark walnut with a lighter shade of cream. So here you can see flowers embedded on the laminate, so it completes the whole look of the TV unit. So, and here we have given stripes on the panels and with strip lights behind the panel to enlighten this. And there's also flower pots on either sides with the bronze decor to enlighten this whole TV unit look. And here, as you can see, there's a beautiful screen over here. So this is actually adhering to the whole Krishna theme of the house. So it has shades of green with white, and it has peacock feathers below, and it really looks very beautiful. So here, as you can see, this corner is actually made for the mischievous Krishna who steals butter. So here you can see a picture which symbolizes Krishna stealing butter and eating it. And to symbolize that, they have given like hanging pots which are adorned with beads and strings to complete the whole look. And there is also a beautiful antique vase which has all the beautiful peacock feathers in it. So this is really looking very pretty. This corner itself is really highlighted well. Now at the living room, as you can see, an L-shaped sofa is given here. So here it has a mixture of two color combinations, blue and white shades. So it is actually adhering to the theme of the house. It has flower imprints on the pillows. And the coffee table is also given matching to the sofa. So it really looks very pretty. So, and the sofa is actually of the antique traditional styles, which is used for the royal look. And now at the living area you can see a beautiful false ceiling which has beautiful curves on the sides with spotlights and LED lights. And you can also see a sparkling antique chandelier which adheres to the theme of the house. And really this looks beautiful. The borders of the false ceiling are given teal color, so that is actually in accordance with the color given for the living. So in the living area you can see a beautiful clock, and it is based on the theme of a peacock. At the center of the feathers of the peacock you can see the clock system embedded there, and it really looks beautiful. And over on the other side you can see a Mongolian wooden mask which is adhering to the theme of this whole living room. Now we are looking at the balcony area, so you can see a bamboo jhula hanging over here. So these blinds, as you can see, it will serve as a protection on the rainy season for you from the water, and on the summer season it will actually control the intensity of light coming inside the balcony. So it has two useful purposes. Now we are at the dining area, and you can see a 4-seater dining table here, and this is also given an antique finish completely. And even the trays, you can see it is given whole antique look with the cups, and it has embedded peacocks on it, and it really looks very beautiful. And here you can see a beautiful wall hanging light. This completes the whole dining area. Now we are at the most auspicious part of the living room. This is the Puja area. So here, as you can see, there is beautiful Puja door with CNC cuttings in the shape of peacock feathers and antique bell cuts with flower CNC designs on top. And this is really looking very beautiful, and it's adhering to the theme as usual. And on the sides we have given flower shaped carvings to complete the whole Puja door look. And as you can see, there is beautiful wallpaper which continues throughout the whole wall from left to right side. So this is actually a special wallpaper. We have found it through a lot of hardships which is specifically fitting to this wall. So this is really very beautiful. So now you can see peacock shaped handles, brass handles given on the Puja door. So this completes the look of the whole Puja room. And on the inside you can see we have given paneling on the top completely with small edges to place all your photos. And on the base unit we have given 2 drawers and storage below for storing all your puja items. And this really looks very pretty. And we have also given a spotlight on top for enlightening this puja room. Now we are at the passage area. So here we can see a niche area which is having storage units. So we have given hanging units here with base units with drawers and storages below. So as you can see, the color combination given, it is actually adhering to the combination of this whole house. So this is chocolate with cream again. So here we are also given a loft here. And on the either side we can see a beautiful wall decor which is having peacock imprints on it, and it's really looking beautiful. So on the top you can see a beautiful false ceiling given, and it has, when you see it, like you can see only C-shaped designs, but it's, the actual theme behind it is that 2 rings joining together, which is symbolizing love. So this is really making this unique, this place unique. So here on the passage area you can see a texture painting is given on one of the walls, and this texture painting has a golden and orangish finish, which is really giving you a royal textured look. And this is also having a painting which symbolizes Radha and Krishna on it, and it really completes the whole look of the passage area. Now we are at the parents' room. So here this whole room has a mixture of shades of brown and cream shades. So here, as you can see, we have given wardrobes on either sides with the center TV unit, and we have given storages for the TV unit too, and hanging unit also for storages. So as you can see there, we have given a photo wardrobe with a mirror on top, and this is having a patch on the center which completes the look of the wardrobe. And here you can see a beautiful screen with brown leaves on it which adds to the theme of this room, and it's really looking pretty. So behind the cart on the wall we have given a beautiful wallpaper here, and this actually symbolizes Krishna with animals. So this is actually telling us about love and affection. So it completely adheres to the look of this room, and I really like this room. It's really looking wonderful. Now we are looking at the kids' room. So here the theme of the room is actually based on the child Krishna, who is very mischievous. And here you can see a wallpaper which symbolizes the mischievous child Krishna here. And the nature is picture of the nature is taken from here to the wardrobe too. So you can also see those milkweeds printed on the laminates. So this is actually a special kind of laminates which we have provided to the customer. And on the below and for the loft, you can see leaves which is adhering to the nature of the room. And we have specially designed handles which are without sharp edges, which are user friendly for the kids. So we have also given a beautiful curtain over here, and this is actually bringing the whole of nature into this room, and it is adhering to the theme of the room of child Krishna. So it has beautiful white flowers embedded on it with green shades, and it's really looking fantastic. Now we are looking at the master bedroom. So here you can see storages on the left side, and on the right side you can see a TV unit cum dresser. So for storages we have given one door as a laundry unit storage. So we have given their louvers for air circulations, and we have given storage on top too. And for the wardrobe we have given a two-door wardrobe which is having a hanger space on top with two drawers below it, and we have given an adjustable shelf which is really usable in case of customizing. And we have provided a loft on top for all your storages. And here you can see a dresser with back storage with mirror on it. This is really very useful. So we have added the TV unit with the dresser. So this is actually saving a lot of space here. And we have also given storages on top of the TV unit too, hanging unit and base unit. And the colors and shades we have used here is purple with cream shades, which is really going out well. And we have given patch designs on the center too, which is really looking this unique and attractive. And now at the master bedroom you can see a beautiful curtain which is given purple leaves on it, which is adhering to the colors of the room, and it's really looking very pretty. And here you can see a beautiful wallpaper on the side of the cart, and this is actually having Krishna and Radha on it, which is actually symbolizing romantic love into this room. And here you can see a wall light. Actually it is like illuminating in the shape of the sun. This is actually really very pretty and unique. So this is actually adhering to the whole theme of the house, and it's really very beautiful. I really like it a lot. And now with the master bedroom, as you can see, there's an antique cart with carving finish on it. So it has beautiful carving design patterns which has peacock and flower patterns in it, and it really matches the whole theme of the room, and I really like this a lot. Now at the same room we have made use of the niche area, and we have given a wardrobe storage there with a loft on top for storing all your stuffs, and we have given a mirror on top of the wardrobe too. And inside we have given adjustable shelves with hanger rod, so they can use it as an adjustable shelf or they can take it out and use it as a hanger space too. And we have given two drawers in the middle with adjustable shelves below too. And this is actually completing the whole look of the room, and the colors we have used, we have matched with the colors of the room as well. Now we are looking at the master bedroom's balcony. So here, as you can see, we have given a bamboo jula over here. Now here you can see a gas space over here, and we have given louvers for ventilation, air circulation. And here you can see drawers which has accessories in it. So on top we have given cutlery for keeping all your spoons and stuffs like that. And below we have given plain trays for keeping all your containers and stuffs like that. And even here we have given plate trays for keeping all your plates and things like that. So we have given accessories in steel which doesn't corrode over time and is really very useful for people too. And at the corner we have made use of this whole corner, and we have not wasted any space over here. So to store large containers over the corner, and this is actually a solution to meet the space requirements of the kitchen. And on the hanging unit, as you can see, we have given chimney space on the center. And on either sides we have given glass doors, and this glass door is actually symbolizing a peacock feather on it, which is matching to the theme of the whole house. And the color of the kitchen is actually teal with white. So that is actually matching the theme very well, and it's really looking very pretty. So for storing all the things, we have given L-shaped loft for the kitchen with normal handles over there. And here, as you can see, this is a place for RO. So we haven't given any base plank over there, so you can use that part of the place as RO unit. So we have given a door to completely close it too. And here you can see a tall unit which is divided in two sections. One section is having adjustable shelves to store things, and the other section is for the grinder and storage below. So this is actually really making this kitchen very usable and cool too. It is really very perfect. For your home interior solutions, do not hesitate to contact us. Signing off, this is Adlin from Amaze Interiors. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you, and have a good day.